Hey, what's up guys, how is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you are new to this channel, can you smash on the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So here in this video I'm gonna share with you how I make $100 to $150 on a daily basis as a freelancer, and how you can actually make it too as well. So I'm going to share you the whole journey which I actually went through as a freelancer, and the process which I actually use on this freelancing journey, and how I achieve all the thing I achieved. So I'll also guide you through this whole process so that you could also earn money and definitely live financially independent life just as you want. So freelancing is proved to be a beautiful journey for me, and I believe it has helped me to discover various skills and helped me to make better money as well. So freelancing is a type of work in which you are actually working for someone, and why also being your own boss. So this is why I like everything about freelancing, because you can actually work at your own convenient time, anytime, anywhere you are, and of course you can actually charge any amount you want based on your skill and your professionalism as well. So freelancing is also the type of work in which you work for some clients either locally or online, and also you can submit their work before the deadline or after the deadline based on your agreement as discussed with the client. This work is much better and more flexible than the work of full-time and part-time employment. So when you work as a freelancer, you have the flexibility of time in your hand, so there is no chores or stress of completing work every day as in the case of full-time employment. But you have to submit the work to your client before the deadline, which is very important, and also bring you more projects in the long run. So you need to make relationship with clients very satisfactory, and make sure you deliver and be very transparent to your client. So this is how you grow as a freelancer. This might seem like a very low profile, but believe me, it is one of the most preferred field where many entrepreneurs make money and start their big business as well. So, and I am most 100 freelancer under themselves to work with them. So the average freelancer salary in different kind of countries maybe from $500 to $3,000, depends on where you come from. So why for experienced freelancers will also charge maybe $5,000 to $10,000 per month as a freelancer who are working from home. So you see how the big deal is working as a freelancer. So the money making and the science behind freelancing surely depends on how you enlarge your business and also hire many other freelancers under you. So one thing more important is that after gaining some good years of experience, you can also start your agency business where you can hire different kind of freelancer to work under you. A very good and profitable business idea, you know. So working hiring people to work under you while you make more money and also get more projects to be done. So here in this video I'm going to share my journey on how I make money while working as a freelancer, and how you can also start your journey as a freelancer and could make thousands of dollars on a monthly basis, and anytime you want and anywhere you are in the whole world. So let's get started. So the main point and what I actually want to share with you. So my main point is learn some skills. The first thing and most important thing before starting your journey working as a freelancer is to nourish and learn some skills. It could be anything like graphics designing, coding, content writing, marketing, sales, or YouTube manager, or anything, or animation. So like anything which exists under the sun, like, you know, people are actually interested in this kind of stuff. So you have to learn and pick up those skills in which you have the high competency and high expertise in them. You have to continually nourish those skills and need to practice to become a top one in that skill. Like, you should be an expert where you can actually fix anything. Make the best portfolio or work samples of your skills, so to show that you really know much about this particular skill and you have mastered it very well. Then only you could be able to show your client that you have some expertise in some particular skills. So give your skill around 10 to 12 months of practice, and maybe you can be able to ready and work as a freelancer. So how to find clients for freelance work. So if you have learned some skills, then the only thing to make money is to complete and submit the work of your client. But the question is how and where to find target clients who are willing to buy your skill. So it turns out that there are many freelance marketplaces where you can actually get targeted clients for your respective skill. So, and could also approach them to show your skills. Likewise, trying on Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, Freelancer.com, and other freelancing platforms. So these are the best. I can actually assure you that if you get started and showcase your service or your skills on the platform, you'll be able to make money and get clients as soon as possible to hire you to work with them. So the tips for this is, before selling your skill to clients, so make sure to make a perfect resume or a portfolio where you actually want to show your samples and what you actually want the client to know about you. So this will also avoid you taking different kind of interview with client, and also with your portfolio the clients will be able to know the kind of person they are trying to work with. So the power of cold emailing. This is another way of approaching clients or brand for your freelance work. This is yet one of the most effective and highly appreciable techniques to draw hundreds of clients to your domain. So what you need to do is to send a cold email to any company or any brand that you are a freelancer and would like to work with them, and also you can actually share your skill with the platform or the brand. So you can also make an offer to them and what you can actually offer them and how and or why they should hire you as their freelancer. So this is just the idea on how you can actually make at least $100 to $150 on a daily basis. And I'll also recommend the high paying skill you can actually learn to make this kind of money. So you can be a YouTube expert whereby you manage YouTube channel for clients. You can also be a script writer whereby you write script for YouTube videos. You can be a copywriter, video editing, code emailing expert. You can also be a digital marketing expert as well as graphics designer. All these are above listed or above mentioned skill are skill that you can actually make money on a daily basis, and there is no limit on what you can actually earn on a monthly basis as well. So just choose any of these skills and make sure you learn anyone that you actually want to go with very well, and make sure you are expert in this before you start to freelance or showcase your service on any of these freelancing platforms. So thank you for listening to this video and watching this video. If you have any question regarding this video, kindly drop a comment and I will be very happy to reply your comment as soon as possible. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.